Alright guys, about an hour later, we're ready to eat. That's right, we are ready to try our meatballs out. And while you're looking, I put the macaroni and cheese in the oven for an hour. So we kind of synchronize times. Let's try these meatballs out. Remember the grape jelly, the onions, the peppers, the chili sauce, the 2 bottles of chili sauce, the barbecue sauce. My word, I know they're going to be good. I know they're going to be good. Oh, yeah, one's volunteering for me now. Look at that juice. Hold on a second before I take a bite. Look at that. Look at that. Won't that look good? And what a nice fall dish. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, man. Mmm. I see a piece of bacon down there now. Mmm. We're going to get that piece of bacon. We're going to get that meatball. Mmm. 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 That is so good. Now, let's try our macaroni and cheese dish here. This old Stuballs macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah. Mmm. 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 Perfectly done. And a little sip of something to wipe it down. That's a good meal. That's a good meal. Now, let me tell you, one reason I use onions and peppers, especially onions, in about every dish, is because they are good for you. This is November the 4th, right now going into November the 5th as of this video. And onions and peppers, they help your immune system because this is flu season, cold season. So if you like onions, they'll like you. They'll keep you healthy. They'll keep you strong all winter long. That's right. All right, guys and girls. This is DJ Stu. Don't forget, I've been putting a little link in my description about a Stuballs surf shop. And that's where you get these bad boys from. Stewie Wood is in the house. I get them done through viral style. And here's something else. Just like I create these cooking videos, I create t-shirts. So come check this out. It's a Facebook storefront, and as you see each image, you can click on it and it'll take you where you can purchase them. Every little bit helps. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next video. I don't have a clue what I'm going to do, but I'll see you then.